We are giving food to the 200 plus Kaya here and over 500 in Tema Station because in spite of the government saying that they are being fed, these people are not getting food. And the unfortunate thing that is happening is that people are using partisanship to distribute food. This is a humanitarian crisis. Women and children are hungry. They are locked down because it's not their fault the virus is in Ghana. People are literally being asked to show evidence of their party membership before they are given food. This is not acceptable. This is very sad. The virus does not show whether you are NDC or MPP before it infects you. The lockdown is for the entire place. It is not selective. It is time to account who is receiving the money and who is the food going to. We need greater transparency. It is wrong. What's going on is wrong. And you cannot have a crisis of this nature where people are using partisanship to decide who eats and who doesn't eat. This is unacceptable. We need greater accountability and transparency with the disbursement of funds and distribution of food. As a member of parliament, I am an ex-official member of the municipality, which means I should be informed on what is going on. I do not know what is going on with regards to the disbursement of funds or the distribution of food. All I know is there are women here with their children who are sleeping outside because they have no chance to work, because they've not been allowed to go back home, and they are not getting fed. The government said they would give each of them 15 cedis a day, if I'm not mistaken. There is no evidence of that happening. It is time for greater accountability and transparency. This is a humanitarian crisis that's born out of a pandemic. We must not have a case where, secondary to the COVID-19, we end up with people starving in a country that is not at